It's a showstopper. It's a pancake. It's easy. It's breakfast in no time. It's whatever you want it to be. We're walking up the hill right now. It's 7 a.m. and I dragged Ryan out of bed to go pick blueberries. This morning, I'm gonna make a blueberry Dutch baby, one of my favorite breakfasts. But first, we have to go pick the berries. Catskills, ripe in summer produce. Oh, wow! Oh my God, this is such a good one. Whoa, check these out. Look at that. There's so many. Honestly, we're probably set. I mean, these are just getting sprinkled on top of the Dutch baby. We can probably go down the hill. You might be wondering, what is a Dutch baby? And a Dutch baby is me, I am a Dutch baby, but also a Dutch baby is like a baked pancake. It gets golden brown and puffy in the oven, and you can make it sweet or savory, and they're incredibly easy to make. If you want pancakes but don't want to spend the time flipping, a Dutch baby is for you. The other thing about Dutch babies, which is really great, is it's basically eggs, flour, milk. You can add a few other ingredients, but that's the base of it. Oh, okay, I almost forgot. You should have your oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit before you get started. Crucial piece of information I did forget, but the whole recipe is gonna be at the base of this video in the text box, so you can follow the whole thing there. So let's get started. I have some exceptionally beautiful eggs. I mean, is this the prettiest egg you've ever seen or what? I'm obsessed with this little egg. Goodbye, thank you for your service. Oh, look at that yolk. Look how golden it is. That yolk is so pretty. It's like the sun. Here we go. Oh, less pretty. Yeah, okay. Well, the first one was great. And all you're gonna do is whisk. So, Dutch baby recipe, 3 eggs, half cup of flour, half cup of milk. That's the base recipe. So the other really important thing you need to know is that everything should be at room temperature. Room temperature eggs, room temperature milk. If they're not, your Dutch baby's not gonna puff up and get beautiful, and that's like the whole point of it. So room temperature. Hello, Ruby. Ruby wants to say hi. Oh, that's my little puppy. That's my little puppy. That's my little puppy. Do you think she's still a puppy? Okay, back to the Dutch baby. So I'm gonna make a sweet version, and ooh, the oven is loud. I'm gonna make a sweet version, add a little vanilla. You can do what you want. This is totally optional, but since this is a sweet version, feels like a little vanilla never hurt anyone. So next up, we're gonna add the flour. Remember, half cup of flour. Sugar, and a pinch of salt. I feel like I've said this about 1 million times, but salt enhances the sweetness in baked goods, or really whatever. So a little bit of salt enhances sweetness, a little bit of sugar also enhances savoriness. And you can see it looks kind of clumpy, and you just want to kind of whisk until it's smooth and all those lumps are out. So some people make Dutch babies in the blender, which you could totally do, but I don't know, I feel like washing a blender is always like a real pain unless you absolutely have to. So hand, you know, a bowl, your whisk, that's all you need. So this is what it should look like. Smooth, beautiful, look at that color, oh my gosh. So if you put the whisk up, these gorgeous ribbons, just like that. You know, make it your own. You could use lemon zest, you could use orange zest, you could use almond extract, you could use cardamom, cinnamon, you know, you can add whatever you want. Actually, that sounds really good. Last step is to add your milk in a slow stream. If you're doing this by hand, you know, just go slow and keep whisking. Okay, so when you've added all the milk, it's gonna be like, you know, the batter's just gonna be kind of like these little dribbles. So that's how easy it is to make the batter. I mean, even with the few additions, it like comes together in minutes. So next up, I'm gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter in cast iron stainless steel, something that's oven safe. Oven safe is crucial. No nonstick here. Ooh. There's a bunch of different recipes for Dutch babies. Some people add melted butter to the batter. I like doing it like this to kind of coat the bottom. The butter's still gonna go into the batter, infuse it with like buttery goodness. Yeah, but I like to do it this way. And I just like to swirl it to make sure it's totally coated all over. Okay, my butter is melted. It smells amazing. And then I'm just gonna pour the batter straight into the pan. Oh my God, yum. And then you put it in the oven. This is so easy. Oh, it is very hot. Okay. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Okay, that's it. You want to set a timer for like 18 to 20 minutes, so I'll see you then. The Dutch baby is puffing up. It's looking gorgeous. We're like 3 minutes away. I know it's so tempting, but whatever you do, do not open the oven. Do not open it or it's gonna deflate, and the Dutch baby will eventually deflate, but you want it to be that big show-stopping thing when you pull it out. Be patient. Okay, it's time. Oh my God. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, it's gonna deflate. So berries on top. So many berries. Woo, it's going to deflate so fast. Powdered sugar. It's a showstopper. It's a pancake. It's easy. It's breakfast in no time. It's whatever you want it to be. It's like pressure's on, baby. Okay.
So it's okay that it deflates?
Yeah, it does deflate. That's the point. But it's like that 30 seconds when it comes out of the oven is like amazing. So if you're gonna try to take a picture for Instagram, you have like times a ticking. Look how it's already deflated so much. Womp womp. Womp womp. But that's what it does. This is normal. Normal behavior.
Now what?
I mean, now Ryan and I are gonna eat it for brunch. What time is it? 12:10? Brunch. But I think I should try it first, right? Just to, you know, make sure it's good. Oh my God, I haven't made one of these in so long. You could also put maple syrup on here. I didn't even get any blueberries. Okay. Oh my God. I just love this breakfast so much. I love that it tastes like a pancake without the work of a pancake. And actually, maybe I like it better. The texture of it. You've got these like gold and brown parts. And don't get me wrong, I love pancakes, but this is where it's at. If you decide to make a Dutch baby, let me know in the comments if you're on team sweet or savory. And if you do any like fun additions, any fun add-ins. Recipe is in the bottom. I'll see you next time.